Alright, we are down at the Arkansas River today. I'm going to test out a couple of things. I purchased a Kestrel 762 suppressor, and so we're going to shoot it on just a standard AR 10.5-inch pistol here. I'm going to shoot one unsuppressed, one suppressed. It'll be 75 grain. Bucktail hollow point, and so you can hear the difference that it makes. And then I'm going to be using a 9mm upper as well here in just a second. So this is the first shot with the AR upper unsuppressed, and so I'm going to have I'm going to back up just a little bit and let the camera stay where it's at, just so you can get an idea of the actual noise, you know, just beyond the pistol instead of right here at the ejection port. So that's the difference, unsuppressed versus suppressed. Obviously, there's really no good way that I know of to suppress an AR 762 or anything that's really going to break the sound barrier. You know, it does a decent job of suppression out of the muzzle, and so I'm gonna. Okay, first the 10.5-inch pistol. I shot at 50 yards, and as you can see here, decent group. I was trying to shoot 5 at a time, and then here, and then there, and so I was shooting off sandbags. I was trying to shoot fairly quickly, you know, as soon as I could get the red dot back on target, obviously make the shot. So you know, it is what it is. The pistol upper is a 10.5-inch. It was built by STS, Specialized Tactical Systems. And as you can tell, this has got a Viltor upper on it, and that was the reason why I had them build it, because at the time, this is an older model. It does not have the adjustable gas, and with the suppressor, it absolutely will fill your face with funk. And so it does not have the adjustable gas system, which I kind of wish it did, but anyway. And so but they were the only ones at the time that were making these uppers, other than the 7.5-inch Diablo, with the Viltor upper, and you could get this 10.5, 12, or whatever they were making at the time. And so this is also the older PWS style. This is permanently attached, which I don't care one way or the next. But the bolt assembly, from what I understand now, they have gas rings, and this one does not. It has no gas rings whatsoever. It's really very minimal. There's nothing in it. And so the one thing that I really like about the PWS design is the minimal parts that you have to have in order to run the upper. And if I can ever get this thing back together. The ease of maintenance, right? Jeez, Brian, how like you put it together before. So there, it does go together. And so, but it came with really good parts on it. The Viltor or BMC gunfighter charging handle, just really good stuff. It's also serialized. They serialize all their uppers, which I thought was really cool. But it's very accurate, 1 1/8 twist out of here. And so I don't know if Specialized Tactical Systems, STS, I don't even know that they're making guns for the public anymore. They really do such good quality work. I think other manufacturers are maybe subbing some work out to them, from what I've been told. So anyway, that is that's the 10.5-inch AR pistol upper, again suppressed, you know, without the different settings on it, is not any fun. It is not any fun at all, getting all the gas in your face. And